Welcome to Encyclo In this video, we are discussing Manonmaniam Sundaranar University internal assignments for semester 1. This is the paper name is Principles of Criminology and Criminal Justice Administration. So before starting this, I want to share something. Please save this number, which is on the screen 900 936 823. This is my number. If you are facing any problem in your studies, you can contact us anytime because we provide different kinds of services so that your studies will be easier. Now, let's discuss about the paper. The paper has two questions. So in this code, there are two questions. In this subject code, there are two questions. In the third one, question subject code, there are two questions. Fourth one, two questions, and the last one in the two questions. So if you want these contact us anytime. We will provide all the answers accordingly. If you are looking for any other help, so you can contact us as well. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon on the WhatsApp.